entertaining, funny, insightful. Highly recommend Charek's tour, an unforgettable experience. We'll definitely be back again. Charek was the perfect city guide. With great passion, seemingly endless knowledge, and a few anecdotes and personal insights, he led our small group through the very rainy city of Gdansk. Always friendly, with a touch of humor and a great deal of charm. We were more than thrilled. Thank you so much for this wonderful experience. Marcin led the tour. His family have lived in Gdansk for generations. Gdansk has a long, constantly changing history which Marcin portrayed wonderfully. I particularly loved Marcin's story of what happened to two boys living in Gdansk during World War II. You'll have to take his tour to find out what happened to them. I will never forget. Sophia was an amazing guide, extremely knowledgeable, approachable and friendly. She managed our rather large group of 20 quite easily. Gdansk has a long and interesting history spanning many centuries, and Sophia helped us understand how it all fit together. Despite the constant rain, the tour was informative, bringing the history of this city closer and sparking curiosity to learn more about it. Tufi was informative and gave an impassioned tour of his hometown. He spoke very clear English and gave detailed information on Gdansk history with great context. Easily one of the better, most comprehensive and enjoyable main city walking tours in which I participated. His tour in at the post office was meaningful and left us appreciating Poland, its culture, and its past and how it overcame challenges. Nicely done. Thoroughly enjoyable walking tour with Tufi, who was very informative, and was lovely to hear someone so passionate about his home city. A really informative tour with our excellent guide Marcin. He was very knowledgeable, honest and very humorous. His passion for his city really shone through. We would highly recommend this tour and guide. I have been touring Polish cities for a week and Marcin was by far the best guide. Knowledge reaching back centuries, passionate about his city, engaging and fun. A fantastic 2.5 hours. Kate was excellent. I've taken many tours and she ranks up there with the best, informative, enthusiastic and knew how to present a story. We were a big group and she had excellent crowd control, too. Bravo. Tour was great, learned a lot about the history and was good as we went from start to finish of Gdansk. Tour guide, Sandra, was really knowledgeable and fun. Recommend this tour with Sandra.